Hi guys, this image looks completely unusable. It's blurry and low quality, but let's see how AI fixes this in seconds. That's actually insane. If you have any blurry images like this, watch how to fix them. It's surprisingly simple. First, we will need this AI tool, AVCLabs Photo Pro AI. Drag to upload a blurry image. Then, just select the Enhance option from the left side panel. Choose to restore it as HD. If your image contains human faces, don't forget to check Face Enhancement. Next, click to apply. Wait for a second. Look at the difference. It actually works. Then click to export this clear photo. But let's try something harder. Import a blurry face. Let's see if AI can fix this. Okay, wait. See? That's actually much better. The details are way clearer now. That's all. AI helps you fix blurry images. If you have photos you thought were completely unusable, AVCLabs Photo Pro AI is definitely worth trying. Thanks for watching.